Hey bread baking rookies and pros alike. Have you ever struggled with the idea of making your own bread at home, thinking it's too tricky or time consuming? In this tutorial, we will guide you through two methods of bread making: baking bread in the oven and making bread without an oven. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced baker, we have got you covered. Method 1: baking bread in the oven. Let's start with the classic method. Here's what you will need: 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 packet of active dry yeast, 1½ cups of warm water. Step 1: mixing the dough. Begin by mixing the sugar, salt, and yeast in a bowl. Add the warm water and stir until everything is dissolved. Step 2: kneading. Slowly add the flour and knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic. This might take around 10 minutes. A smooth dough should bounce back when pressed. Step 3: first rise. Place the dough in a greased bowl. Cover it with a damp cloth and let it rise for about 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. Step 4: shaping and second rise. Shape the dough into a loaf. Place it in a greased pan and let it rise for another 30 minutes. Common challenge 1: underbaking. Another challenge is underbaking. Make sure the bread is thoroughly baked by checking the hollow sound and golden crust. Step 5: baking. Preheat your oven to 375°F. Bake the bread for 30 to 40 minutes until it's golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped. Common challenge 2: overproofing. One common challenge is overproofing. If the dough rises too much, it may collapse during baking. To prevent this, watch for doubling in size and no more. Method 2: making bread without an oven. Now let's dive into making bread without an oven. There is no need to panic, everyone. The ingredients are exactly the same as in method 1. Step 1: mixing the dough. Begin by mixing the sugar, salt, and yeast in a bowl. Add the warm water and stir until everything is dissolved, just like in the oven method. Step 2: kneading. Slowly add the flour and knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic. Step 3: first rise. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rise for about 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. Step 4: shaping and second rise. Shape the dough into a loaf and place it in a greased pot with a lid. Let it rise for another 30 minutes. Common challenge 3: uneven cooking. The main challenge with stovetop cooking is getting even heat distribution. Make sure to watch your heat setting and rotate the pot occasionally for even cooking. Step 5: cooking without an oven. Now you can cook your bread on a stovetop. Heat your pot with the lid on the medium heat for about 10 minutes. Then reduce the heat to low and cook for 30 to 40 minutes. Baking in the oven and making it without an oven. Whichever method you choose, just remember to keep an eye out for those common challenges we discussed. With practice, you will become a bread baking pro in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Blogging Good Food for more tasty tips and tutorials.